Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I introduce HP EliteBook 840G5 laptop. Inside memory card slot, audio jack, USB 3.0, HDMI port, RJ45 port, C port and power adapter port. It's very slim and beautiful laptop. Its left side USB 3.0 port. This laptop is best for home and office use. With the powerful Intel Core i5-8250U processor and 8GB high-capacity 8GB RAM DDR4. This HP EliteBook 840G5 blends efficiency and affordability. This laptop has a 14.0-inch FHD IPS display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. Its display also includes anti-glare LED technology, which helps you see the screen without any extra effort even in the brightest surroundings. Its keyboard is very soft and has a backlight. With it you can easily type letters. The 256GB PCIe NVMe SSD improves the overall responsiveness of the system. You will enjoy faster load times and quick application launches in this EliteBook at a budget-friendly price. If you like my video, please like the video. Comment for any information related to the video.